Shout out to my friend Jason. Hey Sir J, you're asking about the front of Balabag Plaza. This is the beach front. This is the demolition site that I have posted before. And this is Balabag Plaza Hotel. After the demolition, there's no more development here. That is the situation here after the demolition for the basement on the beach front. This is the beach front area, and later I will show you the roadside. This is your question, Sir J. My friend, are they sorting out the front of the plaza, or is it still a mess? And this is the answer, Sir J. This is front of Balabag Plaza, front beach area. And now I will show you the roadside. On the main road, they already poured the concrete here, but on this area not yet. That is Boracay Plaza Beach Resort. This is in front of Balabag Plaza. construction is ongoing on this area, and also the repair of the demolished building. They are repairing first on the roadside, but on the beach front they have not yet done. So that is the update in Balabag Plaza right now. Thank you for watching, guys. If you want me to shoot a video for you, just leave your comment and I'll try my best to get a video for you. See you on the next one.